Just did the cam on it. It is a Tsp Stage 3 blower cam. We did Roto Fab Intake and a homemade straight pipe from the cat's back. It's pretty rowdy, about 3,000 RPM. It still has the stock converter in it. When the money's right and 12-week back order, the converter will hopefully be here. And it should be fun all the way through. Charles Barber did the tune. Amazing to work with. He's on all the Caprice forums. Everybody recommends him. I love it. The car's a lot of fun. Video might be at a drag strip. I gotta figure out dates and times for that because our local one closed, so the next one's like an hour and a half away. But subscribe and like for more content.